Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating topics that empower personal growth and well-being. Today, we delve into the intriguing realm of solitude and uncover its hidden benefits. In a world that constantly bombards us with noise and distractions, finding moments of solitude has become a precious commodity. But did you know that embracing solitude can actually have numerous positive effects on our mental, emotional, and creative well-being? Join me as we explore the hidden benefits of solitude and learn how to make the most of this valuable time. Segment 1: Solitude and Self-Reflection. Solitude provides us with a rare opportunity to engage in deep self-reflection. In our fast-paced and constantly connected world, finding moments of solitude can be challenging, but it is crucial for our personal growth and well-being. When we are alone with our thoughts, free from distractions, we can truly listen to our inner voice and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. Solitude allows us to examine our thoughts, emotions, and experiences without the influence of external opinions or judgments. It gives us the space to reflect on our past actions, choices, and relationships, and contemplate how they have shaped us. By embracing solitude, we can embark on a journey of self-discovery and develop a stronger sense of self. Self-reflection is an essential aspect of personal growth and self-improvement. Solitude provides us with the necessary time and space to evaluate our goals, values, and beliefs. It allows us to assess our strengths and weaknesses, identify areas for improvement, and set new intentions for our lives. Through self-reflection, we gain clarity about what truly matters to us and align our actions with our values. It helps us break free from the noise of external expectations and societal pressures, enabling us to live more authentically. Solitude gives us the freedom to explore our own thoughts, feelings, and desires, empowering us to make conscious choices that lead to a more fulfilling life. In moments of solitude, we can also find solace and comfort in our own company. It is a time to reconnect with ourselves and recharge our emotional batteries. Solitude provides a space where we can process our emotions, whether it's joy, sadness, anger, or confusion. Without the influence of others, we can allow ourselves to feel deeply and fully experience our emotions. This emotional processing allows us to heal, gain insights, and develop emotional resilience. Solitude becomes a sanctuary where we can practice self-compassion, self-care, and self-acceptance. It enables us to build a strong foundation of self-awareness and emotional well-being, which positively impacts our relationships and interactions with others. Segment 2: Solitude and Creativity. Solitude has long been recognized as a catalyst for creativity. When we are alone with our thoughts, our minds are free to wander and explore new ideas. In the absence of external distractions, we can tap into our imagination and unlock our creative potential. Solitude provides the space for our minds to make connections, discover patterns, and generate innovative ideas. Many renowned artists, writers, and musicians have credited moments of solitude as the source of their most groundbreaking works. It is during these solitary moments that inspiration strikes, and creativity flows effortlessly. Embracing solitude allows us to nurture our creative spirit and embark on a journey of self-expression. Solitude gives us the freedom to engage in creative pursuits without judgment or interruption. It offers us the chance to fully immerse ourselves in our chosen artistic endeavors. Whether it's painting, writing, playing an instrument, or any other form of creative expression, solitude provides the ideal environment for deep focus and uninterrupted exploration. When we are alone, we can experiment, take risks, and push the boundaries of our creativity. It allows us to delve into our inner world and express ourselves authentically. Solitude becomes a sanctuary where our creative energy can flourish, leading to personal satisfaction and fulfillment. Moreover, solitude fosters a sense of introspection that fuels our creative process. When we are alone, we have the opportunity to reflect on our own experiences, observations, and emotions. Solitude allows us to dive deep into our thoughts and connect with our unique perspectives on the world. By exploring our inner landscape, we gain insights and develop a richer understanding of ourselves and the human experience. This self-awareness and depth of understanding become the wellspring of creativity. Solitude serves as a powerful incubator for ideas, allowing us to produce work that is authentic, thought-provoking, and resonant with others. Embracing solitude as a creative practice opens doors to endless possibilities for artistic growth and expression. Segment 3: Solitude and Emotional Well-Being. Solitude plays a vital role in nurturing our emotional well-being. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, we often find ourselves overwhelmed by constant stimulation and external demands. Taking time for solitude allows us to step away from the noise and recharge our emotional batteries. It provides a sanctuary where we can find inner peace, reduce stress, and restore balance in our lives. Solitude gives us the space to process our emotions without distractions, whether it's joy, sadness, frustration, or anxiety. By allowing ourselves to fully experience and acknowledge our emotions, we can cultivate emotional resilience and learn to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Solitude offers an opportunity for self-care and self-compassion. When we are alone, we can prioritize our own needs and attend to our well-being. It allows us to engage in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment, whether it's reading a book, practicing mindfulness, taking a walk in nature, or simply enjoying moments of silence. Solitude gives us the chance to listen to our inner voice and honor our personal boundaries. It becomes a space where we can practice self-reflection and self-acceptance, fostering a deep sense of self-love and compassion. By nurturing our emotional well-being through solitude, we can show up as more present and emotionally available individuals in our relationships with others. Solitude also cultivates a sense of independence and self-reliance. When we spend time alone, we develop a stronger connection with ourselves and our inner resources. We learn to rely on our own judgment, intuition, and decision-making skills. This sense of self-reliance empowers us to navigate life with confidence and authenticity. Solitude becomes a time of personal growth and self-discovery, where we can uncover our strengths, overcome challenges, and embrace our individuality. By cultivating a healthy relationship with solitude, we become better equipped to establish and maintain harmonious relationships with others, as we bring a sense of wholeness and self-assurance to our interactions. Segment 4, Making the Most of Solitude. To make the most of solitude, it is essential to approach it with intention and mindfulness. One way to do this is by creating a dedicated space for solitude in your daily routine. Set aside a specific time and place where you can disconnect from external distractions and fully immerse yourself in the present moment. This could be a quiet corner in your home, a peaceful park, or a cozy cafe. Make this space your sanctuary, free from the demands of technology and the expectations of others. By creating a physical environment conducive to solitude, you are setting the stage for deep introspection and personal growth. Another valuable practice to make the most of solitude is engaging in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Use this time to engage in hobbies or interests that bring you joy and fulfillment. It could be reading a book, writing in a journal, practicing yoga or meditation, painting, gardening, or any other activity that resonates with you. Choose activities that allow you to connect with your inner self, explore your creativity, or simply recharge your energy. By engaging in activities that align with your values and passions, you are harnessing the power of solitude to enhance your overall well-being and personal satisfaction. Lastly, use solitude as an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. Journaling can be a powerful tool during moments of solitude, as it allows you to process your thoughts and emotions, gain clarity, and track your personal development. Consider writing about your goals, dreams, and aspirations, or reflect on your past experiences and lessons learned. Additionally, practicing mindfulness or meditation can help you cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and presence. Use this time to observe your thoughts, sensations, and emotions without judgment. By engaging in self-reflection and mindfulness practices, you can deepen your understanding of yourself, enhance your emotional intelligence, and foster a greater sense of inner peace and harmony. By embracing solitude and making the most of this precious time, you can tap into its hidden benefits and cultivate a stronger sense of self, creativity, emotional well-being, and personal growth. Solitude becomes a transformative practice that enriches your life and enhances your relationships with others. So, embrace moments of solitude, create space for self-reflection and self-care, and unlock the power of solitude to lead a more fulfilling and harmonious life.